NASA scientists have just made a major new discovery on the Moon using a new radar technique normally designed to detect asteroids millions of miles apart. They have managed to detect an Indian probe that disappeared 8 years ago. Chandrayaan-1 is very small, barely 5 feet on each side and about half the size of a car, and yet scientists were able to use this technique to detect that it circles the Moon many miles away. This interplanetary radar was used for the detection of asteroids generally, since scientists did not believe that it could detect something as small as Chandrayaan-1. But they trained on the Moon anyway, hoping to find the little probe that swung by its orbit, and had remarkable success. Scientists knew that it was orbiting around the Moon and crossing over its poles. So they pointed the radar about 100 miles above the North Pole of the Moon, looking closely at the probe. And just in time, he crossed the radar beam. We were able to detect lunar orbiter recognition from the NASA LRO and the Space Research Organisation of India Chandrayaan-1 spacecraft in lunar orbit with terrestrial radar, a radar scientist at JPL and principal investigator for the test project. Searching for LRO was relatively easy as we were working with the mission mariners and had accurate data of the orbit in which it is located. Finding India Chandrayaan-1 requires a bit more research work because the last contact with the spacecraft was in August 2009.